So they all go to the kunja. They're all waiting in the kunj, and that's the second type of naika, the vasak saja, vas, residence, place, kunja, cave, forest, riverside, Yamuna Pulina beach, anywhere where they meet, they go there and they wait. And this particular, while they're waiting, this first condition of waiting is called the hopeful. She's hopeful. Vasak Saja. They're all, because there's seven different bhavas all going on in the kunja, in the kunj. Waiting for Krishna, or meeting Krishna, or separated from Krishna. But basically they're all going on in the kunj, 7 of them. One is traveling to the kunj. Because that's, as the Nimbarkis say, and they worship their sadhya and sadhana is Nityani Kunja Viharani. Nityani Kunja Viharani. 24 Ganta Saddin, 24 hours a day, they worship Radha and Krishna in the kunj. There's no Yashoda, there's no cows, there's just kunj. So that's really like putting down the focus. So that's the Sakhi Bhav. Because the Sakhi's aim and objective, their sadhya, their sadhana means their activities. It's not sadhana, but it means their activities are simply to meet Krishna privately, alone, so we can enjoy loving intimacies together. That's the meaning of Madhurarati. Madhurarati, main aspect of Madhura means amorous, loving union between the male and the female. This is the meaning of Madhurarati. And then there's all different activities. The center point is the two become one, and actually the one never become two. Radha and Krishna are always one. They're inseparable. But it appears that they have separate forms and separate places from time to time. So in the kunja, when Radha and Krishna are together in the kunj with a couple of lucky, fortunate manjaris or sakhis attending them, that is the goal of their lives, and that's the perfection of prema, the prem seva of Radharani and the gopis, and the association of Krishna and the kunj. This is Madhurati.